Popular recording artist Jah Cure sentenced to 6 years in Dutch prison. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. The Netherlands Public Prosecution Service confirmed on Tuesday that reggae recording artist Jah Cure, who renamed his signature All Clock, has been sentenced to 6 years in prison with credit for time served for the attempted manslaughter in relation to an alleged stabbing incident last year. On October the 1st, 2021, he was arrested in Amsterdam in the Netherlands after having stabbed a music promoter in his stomach and has been detained in a penitentiary in that country ever since. The verdict came after a court heard submission of witness statement, viewed CCTV footage, and reviewed voice messages allegedly sent by Jah Cure to the victim. On March the 8th, Jah Cure appeared before the judge to answer to charges of attempted manslaughter, aggravated assault, or attempted aggravated assault. The sentence is less than what was originally requested by the prosecution. The prosecutor had asked the court to convict the 43-year-old recording reggae singer for attempted murder and that the suspect should be put away for 8 years with credit for time served, noted an official statement coming out of the Netherlands on March the 8th. Jah Cure claimed that his actions were in self-defense and he had picked up a knife before the meeting with the victim, not intended to stab the victim but to protect himself as he was wearing an expensive watch. This motion was rejected by the court. The next step is that Jah Cure lawyer to appeal the court sentence within 2 weeks if Jah Cure disagrees with the court ruling. Evidence presented against Jah Cure included witness statement and voice note messages that was sent to the promoter. In the closing statement, the prosecutor demanded that Jah Cure be sentenced to no less than 8 years. This is not the first time that Jah Cure had had run-ins with the law. He was previously convicted for 2 counts of illegal possession of firearm, rape and robbery with aggravation, for which he served 8 years of the 15 years which was received on April 26, 1999. He was released in 2007 and gained popularity from his singles Longing For and Prison Wall, released while he was imprisoned. His album The Cure was nominated for Best Reggae Album at the Grammys the following year. The prosecutor stated that Jah Cure's actions prior to the stabbing showed that it was premeditated and he intended to cause wounding and harm to Blake. The alleged stabbing was preceded by an argument over money owed to the artist by the promoter, totaling €5,000 for a concert he performed at. Links 007 TV will continue to track this story and provide you with the latest information to come on this. Thanks for watching.